What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell so you can get my notifications as soon as possible. Today we're swatching Nuni Torres. I got 4 beautiful colors, starting with avocado. It's a gorgeous green, lilac, which is a pretty soft purple I recently used. I'll link that video in the cards. This gray looks like a shimmery silver, so pretty, and fuchsia, which is a nice red. And here is the packaging, Nuni Torres. So this is my first few bits of Nuni Torres. I have not bought the brand before, but I've seen a lot of his videos. I follow him on Instagram, and he actually does a lot of giveaways. I got 2 of these colors for free. Well, if you follow him on Instagram, he definitely will blast out free items and give everyone an opportunity to get them. Starting with this gorgeous gray. Look at that shimmer. It like dances as it flows down the nail. It is so pretty. I think I will be using that on my nails soon. So yeah, Nuni always does like Instagram lives, and he'll sit and talk and work, and I appreciate these giveaways. Now this was back in my early days, and I was not good with my liquid to powder ratio yet, but that did not stop me from posting this video. I needed to show you guys the shimmer in these gorgeous acrylics. Just look at that. Oh, when the light hits it right, it just looks like rain. That's gorgeous. Now I'm going to swatch lilac, which is the color I recently used on my daughter's 15th birthday nails. Showing you that powder. It's a nice, smooth, loose powder. It's not cakey. As you can tell, my camera did not want to focus when I picked up the bead, but look at that shimmer. I know my focus is terrible. This is on my phone in like one of my first videos. I definitely didn't know what I was doing, but I wanted to get that on camera. Some of the prettiest acrylic I own, and my phone died there. So these are the first 2 swatched, gray and lilac. Very pretty. As you can see, the gray has gone a little matte when it dried. So I'll go with avocado next. A gorgeous green. I think this might be my favorite of the 4. The shimmer in the green, it just shines through so much. Look at that. Look at that dance. It is so pretty. It just reminds me of like dewy bushes in the morning. So fresh, full of life. Look at that shimmer. I had to get that in slow-mo. Though it's out of frame, which I'll work on that. Very beautiful colors. And this is me showing my brush failing on me. That was a $25 brush, and I definitely didn't like that I was losing bristles. I want to get that on film because that is something that can mess with your application. You want to make sure your brush is nice and smooth, no bristles hanging out. And last but not least, for sure, or maybe least a little bit, this one showed the shimmer the least, I felt like. This is the fuchsia. It is a very nice color. It looks a little more pink outside of the bottle, I guess. I thought it would be more red, I guess. But I really like it either way. And as you can see there, the shimmer is just not as prominent as the green or the gray or the lilac, really. But I love them all. They are gorgeous. I'm so happy I got them. Again, 2 of them are free in the giveaway that Nuni Torres does often. You should go follow him. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lorena Nails It. You'll get my updates as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. On the way out, don't forget to hit that like button.